Everybody knows about social media and what gets posted on them, especially Facebook. People just seem to write all about their daily experiences of they had for breakfast, what their child had said to them, and it really can be funny, but sometimes you read posts that really can surprise you, excite you, or even disgust you. I'm writing about something I read on someone's page and was humored at what was written by someone on this page. This is what they wrote. I'm so proud today. Housework is done in less time. I vacuumed the floors, kitchen table, and coffee table because I can, and I'm super cool, Mom. Well, thought to myself, really? You're a super cool mom, how? As my thoughts were processing all of this, my mind was thinking of a story I'd like to write back to this post. So this is how it goes. I'm at home. I've vacuumed the floors and the bathroom floors, where I just sprinkled on the floor. Whoops. So I decide to vacuum my coffee table too, and the kitchen table. Good job. I'm done. I feel proud of myself. I decide to bake a cake and some cookies for my lovely little family. I roll out the dough on the table, the one I just vacuumed with my tinkle sprinkle and everybody else's stuff from the floors. Great. My company has arrived, and the cake and cookies are ready to be devoured, and they are very special cookies and cake. So I offer them the greatest baked goods along with all my sprinkles and the household sprinkles. By the way, the kids have a virus that they just can't shake, and they were just playing in the raw dough with their fingers. Lol, it was so funny. You had to be there. But enough. The company is inside, and their kids are reaching out for those fresh baked, yummy cookies. Good. The kids are busy. Now I can cut the cake for their mom and dad, and we can share the best looking cake around. Oh crap. I forgot to clean the table before I baked. Oh. Well, what comes in must come out. This is just a story. I hope you have enjoyed my little story time today. Please tune in for the next adventure on The Daily Grind.